Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to save a page as a template in Notion. And I will show you as quick as possible how you can do this. First of all, we want to create a database. So let's see, first of all, we give this a name, like something called template, and then we click right here, then we do /database, and then from now we just created a database. And we call this database work to do. And then what we want to do is we want to create first a template. So right now we click here on this arrow and we go to new template, and we call this template homework. And then click before this, and then we do this sign, and then let's do something with home. So right now we have a nice icon with homework standing right here. And then what we want to do is click right here, / and then we create a to-do list. And then let's say we need to do maths, we need to do something like, I don't know what to do. I just randomize, give this a name. So maybe something with nature, and let's say something else, something with tech. Then we do add a property, and we also want to do last edited by, so we can exactly see what we did. And then we click this away. And then right now what we exactly can do is when we click something right here, you see the last edited. But if I click here or click here on the arrow, I can paste in the homework just right here. So now we just created a template with the homework tab that we just created. So if you now click here and click here on open, you can exactly see what you need to do. And this is how you can save a page as a template and how you can make the work easier on your Notion. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.